Hey y'all, so this is what you should do with used radiator coolant from your car. You're obviously looking into this video because you know it's toxic, but you don't exactly know what to do with it. What you should do is find your local recycler. I looked online through Google Maps, and it was our local dump. Alright, I got my jug. I'm going to put it in the trunk, and I'm going to use some plastic bag because it is leaking and I don't want to get that in my trunk. So my local recycling center is at my city's landfill, and they have 7:30 to 5:30 open time Monday through Saturday, which is great. So I do a lot of my repair work on Saturdays or the weekends or evenings. So it just helps get a little flexibility for all those who are wanting to dispose of the material. The recycling center may have different hours. I believe mine is 8 to 5, so it's a little bit different from the main landfill's time, but not enough to make a huge difference. And it's something you just want to keep in mind that, you know, sometimes it'll make a quicker return if you use disposable jugs that are already empty, or just used coolant jugs that you have from your flush or drain that you did of your coolant. And here's our local landfill. Lots of garbage jugs. Welcome! Usually there's a check-in line, so it is kind of long today. So for all those who are wanting to drop off.
Hello.
Hey, drop on some coolant.
Coolant coming from my home?
Yes.
Go out to the end of the road and take a right.
Alright, thank you. It's easy, just have to check in and say what I'm dropping off, and they tell me where to go. Here we are, driving through the landfill. The Household Waste Collection Center, that's where we're going. Alright, so we pull up here, stop at the stop sign, and we pull the stuff out. I like my jug back.
This?
Oh no, that one, a big jug, yeah.
Alright, have a good day.
You too, have a good one. Alright, as you can tell, that was pretty easy, and I hope this encourages you to recycle. And don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below, and thank you much for liking. And if this is helpful, please like my video and share it with others. Thanks.